Let's talk about another common contract term, shall we? In What's in My Contract, I'm breaking down some of those boilerplate common contract terms that you might find in a lot of contracts, but maybe don't quite understand. This time we're talking about recitals. Recitals? Recitals? Whatever. I'm Maria Spear-Alice, lawyer for content creators, and this is the Spear IP Show. Alright, so what the heck are recitals, recitals? You see them at the beginning of a contract, and they always say, whereas, blah, 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 blah. Whereas, blah, 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 blah. You know what? I kind of hate recitals, and you will never see them in any of my contracts. But you see them in a lot of contracts. So what are they? They're like introductory statements. It kind of sets the scene as to why maybe these two parties are entering into a contract. They are not legally binding, even though they're in a contract, unless there's something in the actual body of the contract that says or incorporates those recitals into the contract. But they're really not supposed to include any rights or obligations. They're more, like I said, scene setting the stage for why this contract is happening. That's it. Now you understand what recitals are. I hope you never have to see them because they're annoying. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time. Head to spear-ip.com/influencer for my latest free resource on contacting copycats. This one is specifically for content creators and will run through what you can say, what not to say, and a little checklist to run through before contacting a copycat yourself. Again, that's spear-ip.com/influencer.